Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to the little sideshow I have going here. That is guitar mods. Hey? Welcome back to the sideshow, folks. I know it's been a few days. I've been teasing you with regular content. I assure you, it's coming. It's coming. It's on the way. Just this stuff takes time. It can't be vlogmas every day, but regular content. That's what we're hoping for. And boy, I don't think I'll let you down with this next one. I think, friends, I'd like you to come on this little journey with me as I show you. You like my socks and sandals? So they're good, right? It's dad spec. And I call that dad spec. This is dad spec. Gibson, that's dad spec. And I'm a dad, so here we are. 2018. So picture it. It's 2018. Your daughter says to you, Dad, 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 can I have a guitar? Dad, Daddy, Daddy, I want a guitar. I want a guitar. Daddy, I want a guitar. Okay. What kind of guitar would you like? I want a shiny one. Okay. What do you reckon you think of this one? Hey? Ooh. Hey? What do you reckon you think of that one? Mon Cherry. Hey? What do you reckon do you think of that one? Do you like that one? Hey? It's brand new from the store. It's 2018. Okay, so we're going back in time a little bit here. But, this is 2018 when this is happening. And, the world is still an interesting place. And so, Dad buys this guitar, gives it to the daughter. Daughter never plays it. And in 2023, another dad, a dad who's actually needs to clean his floor. Ooh, I really need to clean my floor. There's a lot of dog hair. But it's hard to get in here with, in my defense. Keep the rest of the house clean, but it's hard to get in here with a vacuum cleaner because I also have to keep him out of here with a gate. But anyway, so in 2023, another dad. That's me. It's me. I'm the other dad. Another dad sees an advertisement on a local for used buy stuff from other people website. And they're asking 1,100 Canadian dollars. This dad doesn't see $1,100 worth of guitar. So he offers a very firm $800. A very firm, yet I think in this market, very fair, $800. And after a lot of negotiation back and forth, instead of just telling me to politely go and fornicate myself, instead of politely telling me, thank you, no sir, please go and fornicate yourself, I will not accept your very low ball offer. Now, the thing is, when these sold brand new 5 years ago, they were only $1,100 and some change dollars brand new. Now, the current day market model has gone up significantly, of course. I think they're 1,600 or 1,700 Canadian dollars, whatever the current day version of this is. So asking $1,100 was a little bit cheeky to begin with. Was it worth $1,100? Is it worth $1,100? I don't know. Maybe not in today's market. Maybe in a better economy. Maybe it's worth $1,100. But it's brand new. And I only paid $800 for it. And so, not unlike this one here, which, to be fair, was not in as good condition, or in nowhere near as good condition. Oh, by the way, I got a new case for this one. It's nice, right? Figured it might make it more attractive for sale, or if I keep it, I would rather have it in a nice case. But very much like this one that I paid $600 for, and I'm now asking a cheeky $1,400 for. I mean, I don't expect to get $1,400. Like if I got $1,000 for all of this, I'd be super happy. But I'm going to start real high and see who's really serious. And if anybody's really serious and comes at me and says 1,000, even if they say slightly less than 1,000, I still come ahead. So I'd be happy. I'd take it. But I think it's worth 1,000. Like if this were on the internet used and I had cash to buy a guitar, I'd buy this for $1,000. I bought that for 1,000. Hey, that studio, that old 90s studio with the ebony fretboard and original Gibson case. But I paid $6 for this one. Refinished it, put a bunch of new bits on it, made it look really nice. Got a brand new case for it, right? And so today I ordered the paint for this guitar, because it's definitely not staying that ugly brown color. And the headstock is gonna look like that one. Shiny. Beautiful and shiny. This one came out so good. That's the best one I've ever done. It's a bit dusty at the moment, but in terms of it being like perfecto, it's perfecto. I love it. Looks good in that pink case, eh? Hey, what do you think of that? Anyway, so there's the story. There's part one. Eh? Where one dad buys another dad's mistake inexpensively and starts a long, silly YouTube series about refinishing it. Eh? And making it look super duper sexy. I bet you're all excited to see what the color is. It's not what you think it is. It's a color that I've never painted a guitar. Take your guesses in the comments.